41, table number 6.4. You can write one below the other and you can make the chart anyhow. You can make the chart or you can write one below the other. Taken? Table second on page number 40. Table second, page number 40. Green color box. Second table now. Name the material. 6.3 no, below that. Green color box. Chemical formulae, types of mixture, type of matter. You got that? Name the material, chemical formulae, type of matter.
Chemical formula of matter, name of material.
Yes. Come now, second now, page number 42. The table given below the diagram number 6.4. Table given below the diagram 6.4. Taken? Yes? Now second now, page number 45. Page number 45. Yellow color table C. Page, tick mark that table. Tick mark that table. Page number 46. Page number 46. First and second both. Page number 46. Both the tables, green color and blue color. Blue color and green color both. Taken? Yes, now. Finish now. Homework number 3, 5 and topic number 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay? Come in topic number 7 and 8 now. 7 and 8. Come in topic 7. Homework number 4. Homework number 4. Question first. Write the physical properties of metal. Write the physical properties of metal. Write the physical properties of metal. Question second. Write the physical properties of non-metal. Write the physical properties of non-metal. Taken? Question second. Question non-metal, non-metal. Question third now. Write uses of noble metals, page number 52. Page number 52, write the uses of noble metals.
Yes, sir. Page number 52.
Huh. And below this uses you write that table of carat and percentage. Give the heading, give the heading purity of gold and only draw that table. Only draw that table. Question second now. Define. Define. Take first corrosion. Corrosion. Then alloys. ALLOYS. Alloys.
Third.
Wait. Let's see. Any other definition in this topic? Okay, only two.
Yes, sir.
Only two. Routh. Come in topic 8 now. Come in topic 8. Routh, roll number. Tanush Routh. Now is coming 36. After huge gap. Prathamesh Gosavi. 9 number.
Topic number 8.
Topic number 8. Come on page number 55. Reasons of air pollution. Natural and man-made. Tick mark both. Natural and man-made. Tick mark both. Yellow color box C. Yellow color box. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Page number 56. 8.4. Air pollution, pollutant, sources and effect. 8.4. 8.4 air pollute. Both the first tick mark 8.4. Then go for effect of air pollution on plants and animals. Last on the same page green color box see. Green color box. Taken. Come on page number 57. Page number 57. Define acid rain. Define acid rain and write its effect. Page number 57. Define acid rain and write the effects of acid rain. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Page number 58. First question C. Write the preventive measures of air pollution. First paragraph C. Write the preventive measures of air pollution. Tick mark that. Write the preventive measures of air pollution. Then on same page, write the water pollutants. Water pollutants A, B, C given C. Biological, inorganic and organic. Write water pollutants. Write your A, B, C all. Page number 59. Page number 59. Reasons of water pollution.
Reasons of water pollution. Blue color box.
Blue color box. And effect of water pollution. Both. Blue and yellow. Both. Blue and yellow. अपने वीडियोस ऑन करो. कीप योर वीडियोस ऑन. लेट्स सी. कीप योर वीडियोस ऑन. Very good, very good. Sit properly. Page number 59. Taken both the tables now. Okay now. Last homework. Homework number 5. Homework number 5. Topic number 9. Topic number 9. Come on, page number 63. Page number 63. Causes and effect of earthquake. Causes and effect of earthquake. Causes and effect of earthquake. Number 2. Wait. What you asking? Tell me. Page number 63, yellow color box. Is it clear? Page number 63, yellow color box. Causes and effect of earthquake. Question second. Precautions taken at the time of earthquake. On same page they are given 2 precautions. See here. On same page. On same page. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Question third. What you avoid during earthquake? On the same page. 3 points given. See. Avoid doing following things during earthquake. On the same page. Avoid doing following things during earthquake. Our question will be, what you will do during earthquake? What you will do during earthquake? Turn the page.
Types of fire.
Wait now. Take the question. Write the precautions and safety measure for fire. Pink color box. See. Write the precautions and safety measures for fire. Taken? Precautions and safety measures for fire.
Fire.
Page number 65. Write the causes and effect of landslide. See this. First and second. Causes of landslide, effect of landslide. Taken? Come on, topic number 5 now. Topic number 5. Topic number 5. Topic number 10.
Topic number 10.
10, page number 67. Page number 67. Question first, draw diagrams. Question first, draw diagrams. Tick mark 10.1, both plant cell, animal cell. Plant cell, animal cell. Second diagram, osmosis 10.4. 10.4. See this, boys. Page number 68, 10.4. Both diagram. Osmosis in plant cell, osmosis in plant cell, osmosis in animal cell, both. Both
Okay, sir.
plant cell and animal cell. Next now, second diagram, 10.7, 10.8. 10.7, 10.8. 10.7, 10.8. See this, nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleus, very good. Endoplasmic reticulum. 10.9, 10.10, 10.9, 10.9, Golgi complex. 10.9, Golgi complex. 10.11, 10.11, mitochondria. See this diagram, 10.11, mitochondria. Page number 72. Page number 72, 10.11.
First right.
And last one, 10.13, chloroplast. 10.13, chloroplast. Yes. Now, come on page number 67, complete the table. Page number 67, green color table, see, green color table, green color table. Page number 73, direct on page number 73, green color table, see once again, this one, the colors of the plant part and pigments. You got it? Same, no? This one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Very good. Page number 74. Page number 74. Difference given, see, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. See here, page number 74, yellow color box.
Yes, sir.
Yellow color box.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? See now here, homework number 3, 4, 5. Each homework of 2 topics. Each homework of 2 topics. 5, 6, homework number 3rd. 7, 8, homework number 4. 9, 10, homework number 5. Take your time but write properly. Take your time but draw diagrams very nicely. Draw tables very nicely. Write in good handwriting. Is it there? Any other doubts for the questions? Any other doubts for the questions? No? From tomorrow we are going for revisions for all the topics. We will start from topic number 5. First from 5 to 10, then 1 to 4. First from 5 to 10, then from 1 to 4. Okay? Rather than this, if you have any problems in this question, you can ask to me directly. See that any problems in this given questions. And see, tick mark question for our exam. Coming exam of terminal exam. From topic number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Our paper will be how much marks, you know? Our paper, 50. Okay? 10 topics, 50 marks. That means at least 5 marks on each topic. 5 marks on each topic.
Topic.
Minimum 5, maximum 6. Minimum 5, maximum 6. From topic number 5 to 10. How much? 5 to 10. 6 topics. 6 no? 6 topics. Every topic for 6 marks. Every topic for 6 marks.
Or 6 marks.
And 1 to 4 for every topic for 4 marks. 1 to 4 every topic for 4 marks. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Portion is given. Marking scheme also given. Topic number 1 to 4, 4 marks each topic. Objective. Objective questions all. That means short questions. Objectives, write in 1 words, label the diagram, write formula, complete the table, like that way.